Welcome to Wise Flow, the channel where your English grows with your voice. Let me ask you something. Can you talk about your day in English? What do you say after "I woke up"? Many learners freeze here. They know the words, but don't know what to say next. Their mind goes blank. But today, I'll show you how to turn your real day into real English. And here's your first fluency test. What time do you wake up every day? Type your answer in the comments. Let's begin your English-speaking day together. Chapter 1. I wake up. The sun shines through my window. My eyes open slowly. I feel tired. But it's morning. I sit up. I take a deep breath. I look around and say quietly, "Good morning." These are my first English words today. Even if I'm alone, I say them, because every sentence is a chance. Every word is a step. I get out of bed. I stretch. I say, "I'm going to the bathroom." I look in the mirror. I smile. I say, "I brush my teeth." I count as I brush. 1, 2, 3. It keeps me inside the language. Then I wash my face. I say, "I wash my face." I feel the water. It's cold. I look again in the mirror and say, "I look tired, but I feel good." Back in my room, I get dressed. I say, "I put on my clothes." I pick a shirt and say, "This shirt is blue." I wear pants. I say, "These are my pants." Then I sit quietly. I look outside. It is sunny, or it is cloudy. At first, this felt strange, talking to myself in English. But now it feels normal. It's my secret way to grow. I don't need a partner. I need my life, my voice, and morning is perfect because it repeats. Every day I wake up. Every day I can say the same words. And repetition is power. I started with wake up, brush teeth, eat. Now I say I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I feel fresh, and I record it. I open my camera and say, "Good morning, today is Monday. I feel happy." Then I smile, because I'm learning. You don't need perfect sentences. You just need to speak. Say what you see. Say what you do. Say what you feel. I am sleepy. I feel better. This is my notebook. This is my pen. English is all around you. You just have to notice it and say it. One day I couldn't say one sentence. Today I can describe my whole morning. That's not magic. That's daily practice. So tomorrow, try this. Say 3 sentences in English when you wake up. No one is watching. No one is judging. You are safe. You are growing. And this is your moment. You are not just learning words. You are changing your brain. You are building fluency, one small sentence at a time. And one day you'll smile and say, "I remember the first time I said, 'I wake up.' That was the beginning. Now I speak." Chapter 2. I eat breakfast. Now, let's talk about breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I feel a little hungry. I want something simple. I open the fridge. I take some bread. I toast the bread. I also make tea. Hot tea. It smells good. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast. I take small bites. I drink my tea. I feel calm. I feel ready. This is my morning. It is simple. It is peaceful. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I say out loud, "These are eggs. This is an apple." If I cook something, I say, "I cook breakfast." I use oil. I fry eggs. I make tea. I listen to the sounds, the toaster, the boiling water, and the spoon in the cup. Each sound reminds me. This is English time. Self-talk practice. I eat toast. I drink tea. I sit at the table. I feel ready for my day. Now you try. What do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud. Say it with me. I eat. Remember, breakfast is a small moment, but it's a big chance. You do it every day. You can speak it every day. And the more you speak, the more natural it feels. This is how fluency begins. Chapter 3. I go to work or school. After breakfast, I get ready to leave. I check my bag. I say, I have my phone. I have my keys. I have my notebook. I put on my shoes. I say, these are my shoes. I take my bag. I say, this is my bag. I walk to the bus stop, or I walk to the car. I say, I'm going to work, or I'm going to school. Sometimes the road is busy. I say, there is traffic. Sometimes it's quiet. I say, the street is empty. If I take a bus, I say, I wait for the bus. I see the bus. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see people. I see shops. I describe what I see. That man is running. That woman is talking on the phone. If I walk, I say, I walk slowly. I see the trees. I hear birds. This is my travel time. I use it to think in English. I look around and speak silently. I go straight. I turn right. I wait at the light. Self-talk practice. I go to work. I take the bus. I walk to school. I see the sky. I feel the wind. Now you try. How do you go to work or school? Say it out loud. I take. I walk. You don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to talk honestly about your real life. This short time, from home to school or work, is a powerful moment. You're not just traveling, you're training. You're turning your mind into English, step by step, every day. Chapter 4. I work or study. I arrive at work, or I arrive at school. I take out my notebook. I say, I start my work, or I start class. I sit at my desk. I look at my tasks. I say, I open my computer. I write emails, or I open my book. I listen to the teacher. I try to stay focused. I say, I am working. I am studying. I drink water. I take notes. I read slowly. Sometimes I feel bored. I say, this is hard. Sometimes I feel strong. I say, I can do this. Even if I am busy, I still use small English thoughts. I type fast. I understand this lesson. I ask a question. Every hour I grow, not just in work or school, but in my language. Self-talk practice. I work on my project. I write an email. I read this page. I ask for help. I learn something new. What do you do at work or school? Say 3 things out loud. I write. I learn. I help. Remember, you don't need extra time. You just need to speak about what you already do. Work time is English time if you choose it. Chapter 5. I talk with friends. During the break, I meet a friend. We smile. We talk. We laugh. I say, hi, how are you? My friend says, I'm fine. And you? I say, I'm okay. Just tired. We sit together. We eat snacks. We share stories. I say, this morning was busy. My friend says, yes, same here. I ask questions. What did you eat? Did you finish your work? I listen. I answer. These small talks are big for learning. I learn new words. I hear natural English. If my friend speaks my language, I still try to use some English. Even one sentence helps. Self-talk practice. I talk to my friend. I ask a question. I listen to her answer. I laugh. What do you talk about with friends? Try saying one sentence now. I tell a story. I ask about lunch. Speaking with friends is not just social. It's practice. It's progress. Every small talk is a big step forward in fluency. Chapter 6. I eat lunch. It's the middle of the day. I feel hungry. I go to the kitchen or the cafeteria. I look at the food. I say, I want rice. Or, I want a sandwich. I sit down. I say, I eat lunch. Sometimes I eat with friends. Sometimes I eat alone. Either way, I speak in English. I say, this food is hot. It smells good. I like this taste. I take small bites. I chew slowly. I relax. This is my short break. I feel calm. I drink water. I say, I drink water. I finish eating. I say, I am full. Self-talk practice. I eat rice. I drink water. This food is tasty. I feel better now. What do you eat for lunch? Say it out loud. I eat. Lunch is not just food. It's a routine, and every routine is a language opportunity. Speak it, feel it, repeat it. That's how fluency grows. Chapter 7. I come home. The day is done. I go home. I say, I leave school, or I leave work. I walk, I ride, I take the bus. I feel tired but happy to go home. I arrive. I take off my shoes. I say, I'm home. I put down my bag. I change my clothes. I rest for a moment. I sit on the sofa. I say, today was a long day. Or, I feel good. Sometimes I take a shower. I say, I take a shower. I feel fresh again. Self-talk practice. I come home. I take off my shoes. I sit down. I rest. What do you do when you get home? Say it now. I change. I rest. I eat. Coming home is a reset. Use this time to relax and to speak, because English doesn't stop when school ends. Your life equals your practice. Chapter 8. I watch TV or study English. In the evening, I relax. Sometimes I watch a show. I say, I watch a movie, or I watch the news. If it's in English, I listen carefully. I repeat small lines. I say what I hear. This is interesting. She is angry. He is happy. Sometimes I study English. I open a book. I say, I read a story. I watch a video. I say, I learn new words. I take notes. I say, this word means happy. I speak slowly. I record myself. This is a quiet time, but a powerful time. I say, I study now. I focus. Self-talk practice. I watch English videos. I learn new words. I read slowly. I repeat the sentences. What do you do in the evening? Say it aloud. I watch. I learn. I read. Evening is a gift. It's your time. So use it for fun, for rest, for growth. And remember, even one sentence is a success. Chapter 9. I eat dinner. The sky is dark. The day is ending. I feel hungry again. It's time to eat dinner. I go to the kitchen. I say, I make dinner. Sometimes I cook. Sometimes someone else cooks. I say, I eat rice. I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. If I eat with family, I say, we eat together. If I eat alone, I say, I eat quietly. After dinner, I say, I feel full. That was good. Self-talk practice. I eat dinner. I drink water. I sit with my family. I clean the table. What do you eat for dinner? Say one sentence out loud. I eat. Dinner is a time to slow down, to relax, and to speak one more time, in English. Chapter 10. I get ready for bed. The night is here. It's time to sleep soon. I say, I get ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I say, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I say, I wash my face. I put on my pajamas. I say, these are my pajamas. I check my phone. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I say, good night. I lie in bed. I feel my body rest. Self-talk practice. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I turn off the light. I close my eyes. What do you do before bed? Say it now. I brush. I wear. I say, night is not just for sleep. It's for reflection. One more moment to speak. One more step in your fluency journey. Chapter 11. I reflect on my day. Before I sleep, I think. I say, what did I do today? I remember my morning. I woke up early. I remember my lunch. I ate something tasty. I remember my work. I tried my best. I say, I did well today. I'm proud. Sometimes I say a prayer, or I say, thank you. This is a quiet moment, but it's powerful, because when I speak about my day in English, I learn more. Self-talk practice. I woke up early. I worked hard. I learned something new. I am thankful. What did you do today? Say it aloud. One sentence is enough. You lived, you tried, you spoke. That's progress. And tomorrow, we do it again. Because fluency isn't one big thing. It's many small sentences. Speak from your life. every single day. Final message: your voice, your power. Today, you walk through your day in English, step by step, word by word, from morning to night. Maybe you made mistakes. Maybe you forgot some words. That's okay, because speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being present. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And your English grows every time you try. So tonight, before you sleep, say this: I am learning. I am improving. I believe in myself. Now it's your turn. Record a short video or write a short post. Say just 3 things you did today in English. Tag number WiseFlow or share in the comments. Let the world hear your English. And don't forget, if this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to WiseFlow for more real-life English practice, and share this with a friend who wants to speak English better. You are not alone. We are learning with you. Every word you say brings you closer to fluency. So wake up tomorrow and speak again. This is WiseFlow, where your voice becomes your power. See you in the next video.